Hi guys, Aramism, back at you. Far Cry 3 Part 18. We met our target last time. We wanted 2 radio towers. We got 2 radio towers. Did I ever disappoint? Yes. Did I last time? Pretty much no. 1 point for me. Finally. We're going to do a mission. We're in the amazingly named Bad Town, which is bad, and they couldn't think of a better name for. And it's the bar for my dreams. Is the guy with the out-of-date fashion in there as well? Shall we do it? Let's do it. Just after this as well, we're going to do this local radio tower again, because the bit that we're in is still, as you can see, off the radio. Whoa, what is this shit? Bags of toxic waste. Awesome. And the people that's been eating it. Is it good? Good stuff? Yeah, looks like it. Glowing chair? I could sell that for hundreds of pence. Beer. Hey. Beer. And yeah, you need to fix your TV as well. Yeah. Have I got to sit in here? Lads' night. Woo! Curry? It's him. Oh, poker. Snow White? Yes.
Every time you tell the story, we're playing.
She just leads them all on, all 7 of them.
Prison camp. Next thing you know, he's killing guys with a machete.
Oh, that's the worst version of the story I ever heard. You ruined the drama.
Sounds like Hoyt needs to step in. Yeah, if it's true.
Hoyt would make quick work on a guy, that's for sure. Probably kill him with his own machete.
They already did with the owner of the mine. Hoyt's an artist. You'll kill this one special. Am I right?
Am I Snow White?
What'd you say he looked like again? All in.
We don't need to look at the cards. Boom! Just slide them in there. All in.
Nice play.
Yeah, damn right. Yoink. Flyer. Easiest game ever.
He's gonna lead me to Keith and Oliver.
Ooh, we gotta follow. Can we eat the toxic waste? Are we gonna have another trip mission?
That man's the key to this. I know it. Can't let him see me.
Just like Whac-A-Mole, just sort of woo, woo.
Citrus dipped up her attacks.
Why?
Bad blood.
Hoyt offered fast money. Power. I would have done the same thing.
I gotta stay on him.
I can see him. You're not telling me this guy doesn't know.
God damn it. Don't get ahead of yourself. We'll take care of one problem at a time. Besides, it might rain soon. The season isn't completely done yet. So what's the plan?
You're seriously not telling me this guy doesn't know?
Gotta keep up with him.
I wrote it out. Not that often I get to hold a kid.
I'll be happy if I just make it through this year alive.
Is that a...
Hey! Fucky, fucky, sucky, sucky. Those words interest you?
I'm working tonight.
Is this why it's Bad Town? Are you naughty ladies? Hey, get a job. Go to college. Go to
Where's my fucking money?
I'm sick.
I don't fucking care, twerp. Better not be holding out on me.
I don't feel good.
You want some medicine?
Please don't.
Take your medicine. Feel better?
Whoa.
Again.
Hey,
Fucking
mister.
kill.
One last blowjob before you die.
One last what before I what? Oh my god. You just Jason like this. Nope. I am nowhere. Figment of your imagination. Really? Look, I can see him. Warning, keep the target inside. Shut up.
I gotta keep up with him. I gotta keep up with him.
Cut down on Kathy.
Oh, I love this mission. This is so cheesy. Oh god. That was awful. As if this guy doesn't know. And then we're just going to follow him in. Yeah. Straight on to the next level. It's basically the same one. Hello?
You have 10 seconds to tell me who you are before I remotely detonate the C4 under the table and this whole place explodes like a pop bottle.
Jesus.
I doubt it. 5
No,
seconds.
I'm not Jesus.
Jason Brody.
Really?
Yes.
So you're Snow White.
I am Snow
I
White.
don't know. Which one gets me blown up?
Pragmatist. Promising. Would you consider yourself a patriot, Mr. Brody?
Yes.
The real patriot doesn't just put his hand on his heart while holding a hot dog at the ball game. That's a gosh darn cakewalk, pardon my French. The real patriot suckles at the teat of Lady Liberty. Upon hearing of the death of a brother at war, the real patriot asks, "Did we win?" And then rejoices at the pronouncement of victory. So, are you a real patriot or one of those...
So after all this, the answer is yes.
...when the jean store runs out of pocket squares?
A real patriot.
Bingo. That's what I like to hear. By the way, Voss has your friend Oliver Carswell, and I'm zeroing in on Keith Ramsey.
Why are you looking for them?
It's my job to know this island inside and out. I can help you, but you gotta play the game. There's something I'm looking for.
Time to play the game! Parody. By the game, I mean Far Cry 3. Hello.
Jason.
What are you? Some kind of spy?
I'm not gonna confirm or deny that. Just messing with you. I work for Langley, Agent Willis Hunt.
Ah, Langley. Yeah, how's he doing?
The army and the government.
Who the fuck's Langley?
I'm embedded, not really in contact with Central Intelligence.
So, you're alone here.
No, you kidding? I got a whole team. They're out in the field, but they'll be back. These scans they sent have opened up a grade A can of worms. I can't talk to you about it, but
Okay.
trust me, it's big.
Sounds huge.
I need more info, though.
Is
From
this
the
just a
source.
crazy guy? Does he just think he's at what is that?
Flammenwerfer.
Ein Flammenwerfer!
Flamethrower. This beauty was invented
Ich
in
gern.
Hoyt Volker is the boss of a very good friend of yours.
Is this
Voss.
mine?
He also happens to run the largest slave trading ring in the South Pacific. On top of that, he grows drugs. If we set fire to his fields and his boat, he's gonna canoe over to this island. I get what I want, and we learn more about your friends.
Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Is that you in disguise? Are we burning drugs again?
It's like spraying furniture.
I love that mission. I'm gonna love this one as well.
Anyway, here's the gun.
If it's that. Are we burning weed?
That's what I like to hear. Don't forget the boat.
Forget the boat. I'm going to be as high as a kite.
Trusting you on this.
I'm not going to be able to shoot straight. It's going to be awesome. Guess we're not going to really need the... We'll let the bow go. Hey, hey. You look after that friggin' bow. Yeah? That bow, mine. Robin Hood gave me that bow. Belongs to the Natural History Museum. Yeah. Nothing of worth. God damn it.
I'll play ball as long as it gets me closer to finding my friends.
Okay. Okay, without much thinking, straight to that radio tower. It's just there, it's not too far away. Get this place revealed. Dennis!
Hey, Dennis?
Jason, what did you find?
The vision led me to the man in white. Turns out he's a spy or something.
Funny. I've never heard of such a man here on the island.
Yeah, that's why he's a spy, Dennis.
Boss is boss.
That's why you don't know who he is.
Volka, stay away from him, Jason. You think Voss is crazy? All the evil on the island, it comes from Hoyt. He took Voss's mind away from him. It is he
Okay.
who pulls the strings.
So if we just go and ask for Vass's brain back,
I'll be careful.
everything will be okay. Kick the hornet's nest. For someone that's allergic, that's probably not the best idea. Craft a fireproof syringe. Sunglasses! Yeah. I'm so cool. Look at the state of these things. These really do get worse. Friggin' tightrope walking as well. Oof. Oh. Go. See what we got. Smack it. Okay. So that's where we're going. Camp Murder. Has there been a Yes! I love that name! Well done, pirates. Should we go to Camp Murder? Should we rush it through? What animals are we near? Buffalo and tapir. Watch us get mauled by a ravenous tapir. Okay. So everyone's pretty bunched up here. And I've gotten rid of the bow. Excellent. Okay, reload. Sniper. We're going in. Alarm, alarm, alarm. Okay. Didn't say a lot there. We've caused a fire. We've turned off the alarm. Woo! We knew it was going to be quick and messy. Not like that, you dirty people. And we've destroyed our base. Behold, in all its blazing glory. Oh dear. Nice death pose there. There we go. What do we get? Container, memory card, and medical. Sell them up. Got some new stuff. Specials. Flare gun. Wow. Launchers. Oh, it's that grenade launcher. Top up.
It was beautiful once. It will be again.
We'll leave it there, guys. Let's just have a quick look where we are. and where we've got to be. So that's where we're going next. I think seeing as we're here, Tequila Sunrise, copyright the cocktail, we're going to do that camp and move on to the mission. How does it sound? Next time out. Thanks again, guys. I've been Aramism. Out.